So we're going to take that trade. We're going to let that run to the new highs and we'll see if that goes. Hopefully, man, it is nerve wracking. Okay, so it looks like it's coming up. It's near the end of the day, guys. So I do want to be a little bit cautious here and just close that out at, dang, man. And the market ended up just pumping at the end. It does this a lot. That would have banged us like 5 grand there easily. I've been sleeping so much. I think I slept all weekend. I'm not sure. Maybe I got a bug or something, but I'm waking up late. It's like 10:30 now my time, which is, you know, honestly, I should be working in New York hours in order to get the best trades possible. Friday was going really bullish, so we just worked with that momentum. We seen a close here, and all I did was shoot for the new high. The new high being this next level up, right? This next level up, we're gonna hit that at least, and I wanted to make sure that we gained that. So we gained here, and we shot for a new level up, right? That's literally it. And I think I closed it early because I was ready to go out for the day. Right, guys, and of course, sponsorship. This whole video is sponsored by Maven. I'm trading on the Maven trading platform. So if you guys want to trade with $100,000, go ahead, check out maventrading.com. There's no affiliate link or anything like that. Just check it out. We are waiting for that next trade setup here. This was the ideal range that we wanted to enter in before. So I'm just waiting for a more optimal time in order to enter. Right, cool. It looks like we've just taken the trade here off that low again. That's the level we wanted. So we're going to take that trade. We're going to let that run to the new highs. And we'll see if that goes. Hopefully, man, it is nerve wracking. Okay, so it looks like it's coming up. It's near the end of the day, guys. So I do want to be a little bit cautious here and just close that out at, you know, we took the long here and then we went to here. You know, it could go a little bit higher, but 30 minutes left in the day. I want to be cautious. So we're now sitting at 38.13, and those are the trades so far. You can see no losses so far. We got those 8 lots today. I'm just a little bit cautious because it doesn't look great, and I don't want to be sitting in this trade for rollover. Right, so you can see I am just trading off my laptop there. There's my beautiful kitchen because my keyboard broke, so I'll have to fix that. But I'm gonna go to the store, do some errands while we wait for the Asia session. I'm gonna hopefully catch another trade in the Asia session. Didn't get good enough today. I do need to double down pretty much every day, so I need another like $1,000 in order to call this day successful, and then we'd be sitting at like 5 grand. That's still pretty dang far from the million, so there's lots to go still, but so far good trade. We need to wait for the next open, and then Asia session is a little bit different. Asia session, we probably are just going to look for what the trend is going to be and then just rock the trend all through Asia session. There's not really much for trading. You pick the direction, you get the direction right, you win. If you get the direction wrong, you get out really quick, right? Because it doesn't fluctuate much. It just kind of floats all throughout the session, or it does nothing, right? So we might just do nothing, so we'll have to check it out. Dang, man, and the market ended up just pumping at the end. It does this a lot. You know, I don't like sitting in things because, you know, it ends up getting really volatile and risky near the end, but you know, because the market's going to close in like 3-4 minutes or something, and that would have banged us like 5 grand there easily. That's all right. We're gonna see in the Asia session, we did have a nice rally off of that gap, right? So the Asia session, most likely we're going to be able to catch something. If we might be able to get a slight pullback or just follow the trend, and that we will want to be riding this back up to the tops. That's already been tested, so probably the level you'd be looking for in the Asia session might be like this guy here, right? Or even, you know, it might just even go higher. Let's see how this closes in 2 minutes. Should be pretty good, and then we'll just let it rock a little bit higher in Asia. Should be pretty good for a long in Asia.